This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 25G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features sleep 6, TV, spare tire kit, air conditioning, LP detector, oven, leveling jacks, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, awning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 25G is 8,574 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.